how to use Testerup. So of course, once you have chosen your preferred browser to search up Testerup, either you can open up Testerup in a website or via app. But here we'll be showing you an example in our website. So once we open up the first link, we'll be led to a verification. So let's just go ahead and press begin. And once you finish that, we should be able to log in or register if we haven't yet. So once you finish signing up or logging in, you should be able to access the available apps or offers that's in Testerup for you, your account, your region, and many more. So here's a short article by Testerup themselves showing you how you can earn on Testerup. So earn money on Testerup by testing offers in the app. Simply open up one of the available offers and use the link provided to download the app you're going to test. Each offer has a list of tasks which you need to complete in order to earn rewards, with each task coming with its own monetary reward. Also bear in mind that every offer has a time limit, so make sure you change out the offer description to see how long you have to complete it. So as you can see, there's a picture of the gameplay of what you can do in Testerup, and below is the description on saying how much you have left to achieve all task objectives. So hopefully this video helps you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.